green appear anew, in orchards and in meadows too. And birds that long and cold have lain grow gay beneath the leafy strain. So I too sing and take my pleasure, reflowery green in full measure, and leaf out following my nature. No other love takes me or grips, I am in such a good adventure, according to my hope's own picture. For I am held as a true love's tip, there where my will has made its trip. For nothing else beneath the sky I crave, nor to another turn do I enslave, nor for another have I care or fixture. Begging heart has he who loves and does not grow. For I am so much better so that no man sees me play a poorer part. I know I love and am loved for my part by the noblest God ever made, or that in this world I'm afraid as long as earth and time shall go. Deceitful face did my lady show, no wrong was done, nor was I fooled by her, not once, not one. I don't believe a man can match her grace with chiding, so fine is her love's embrace, that she would bend or turn away, or leave me for another any day, as my heart foresees in its own space. My lady, I pray, don't leave me for chiding, nor for the foolishness of jealous men, so that I may not feel her arms again. For I am hers more than I'm confiding, and will be always if she's so deciding. For through her all I see is fair, and in my heart wherever I repair, I carry her body and her fashioning. Saw a man so old that if he has a good pure love, and by his lady is beloved thereof, he is not gay, even serf and bold, if he is joy's captive, joy's own hold. For the fool must act the fool, you see, and the wise man joust with gallantry, and thus his worth grows manifold.